This could get way out of order. Oh, yeah. This could get way out of order. One time that I'm giving you a warning. Done up all the drinks that you bought me. Now you're trying to get me to your apartment. Never been this high to slide up for somebody like you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Sunkissed Lexi here with another video. Before we get into it, you already know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and share the video. Let's just get into it. Today I'm going to be trying this face mask that I saw on YouTube. I forgot what the girl name was. I'll probably insert the information down below. But she tried this turmeric face mask, and people in the comments said that they tried it and it really worked. It works great for hyperpigmentation, which I have, as you can see here. I have some spots on my forehead because that's where I tend to break out. And the way that my skin works, I could just not touch the pimple and it still gets dark. So I really want to try this face mask to try to get rid of that. And there's other things that I'm going to try to do. Dermaplaning, I want to try that. I want to try to do it myself though, see how that goes. But yeah, so we're gonna try this turmeric mask. What's in here is cinnamon, honey, turmeric, and I'm about to add some tea tree oil. Right now this is the consistency of it. It's really thick, and so once I add the tea tree oil, it should loosen it up a bit. But yeah, really. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It kind of looks like peanut butter, but it really smells. Oh, and you really want to be careful when you're using turmeric because it does stain. Like once I take off the mask, I'm sure I'm going to have like a yellow tint on my face. So why are you still you're in my video? Also, before you put the face mask on, I feel like this is common knowledge, but make sure you wash your face before you do that. Make sure you wash your face before you put the face mask on, and then you want to use a toner. I'll show y'all afterwards. You want to use a toner with a cotton pad to get off the excess color. It's very oil free, like it's giving. Like this is just the new foundation, and it's just like Fenty Who. You know what I'm saying? Like it just blends in so nicely and just complements my skin so well. No, but for real, in all seriousness, so I looked up the benefits of this mask, and it's a clear and smooth the skin. Acne and acne scars can make your skin texture appear reddish and sore. This 3-ingredient face mask can help maintain clear skin and also heal any present acne. Turmeric has amazing antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal anti-acne ingredient. It also helps purify the skin and unclog pores. Cinnamon is great in healing and drying out acne without leaving behind any possible scars. It also adds a beautiful glow to your skin and makes it look plump and healthy. Honey helps reduce skin oiliness and shine. It also makes skin glowy and clear. Yeah, that's pretty much what it said. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm leaving this face mask on for 20 minutes. And once the 20 minutes up, I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna see what it do. Bro, like I low-key I don't sleep enough. I don't know if you can see the dark circles around my eyes. I need to do better. But I'm gonna see y'all in 20 minutes and we're gonna see what this is looking like. So I washed it off and I have some spots still. So what I'm gonna do now is take some witch hazel, put it on the cotton, and really get all of it off. So I looked at the video again and I realized that she washed her face with soap again and used a spin brush. Use the witch hazel to wipe off all the excess, and that's just what I did. Hopefully there's not going to be a difference in results, but I just washed the face mask off because I just feel like, for example, when I do like a clay mask, I don't go and wash my face again. I just wipe off the face mask and continue on with my routine. So that's what I So this is the next day. See a difference? I feel like my dark spots are a little lighter. But I don't know how long she's been using this face mask, but I'm gonna try to do it once a week and see if it helps to brighten it up. But I feel like, you know, it's a mask worth doing. You know, it's good to moisturize your skin, and it's good for you know, just brightening your face overall and toning it and stuff like that. So even if I don't see immediate results, I am gonna use that in my regimen because I just feel like, you know, it's good to use face masks to really moisturize your skin and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that over a span of time, and hopefully, you know, it does some great benefit to my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.